Welcome traders! In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to use Watchlists on the XM website. To get started, head into the Watchlist tab from the main menu. You will see that we've already grouped the most popular instruments by asset class like Forex, commodities, indices, and more. Each watchlist gives you an overview of the most popular instruments on that asset class, but keep in mind, not all available symbols are listed there. Looking for something specific, click the Search tab to find the instrument you need. If you want to customize your watch list, click the pencil icon. To change how the list is displayed, click the sort icon to adjust your sorting preferences. To create your own custom watch list, click New Watch List. Then click Add Instrument and use the plus icon to add the instrument you'd like. That's it, you're now ready to build and manage watch lists the way that suits you best. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.